Okay guys, I'm going to go over your article of the week instructions. So the first thing you do is you go to Moodle and you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page on our Moodle page, and the toggle is article of the week. So the first thing you'll do is you're going to click on article of the week directions, and it's going to pull up and it's going to look like this. So I want to clarify, article of the week is actually every 2 weeks. So we'll have three to four of them depending on how the 9-week period folds out. So you won't have one every single week. It's every other week. And I'll put the due dates on Moodle and remind you guys too as we go through the few weeks at a time. But just so you know, so you're not overwhelmed, it's not every week, it's every other week. So these are the instructions for your article of the week. First thing you're going to do is read your article, of course. Then, as you are reading, if there's something that you're confused by, like a word in there you're not really sure about, you're going to highlight that word in orange. And then you're going to find a word, a synonym that means the same as that word, and you're going to write it out there next to the word that you were confused by. As you are reading, you're also going to read, you're going to look for things that might surprise you. You're going to highlight those in pink. Anything that's confusing, that raises a question, seems conflicting, you're really not sure about, you don't think that it might be right, like you don't necessarily agree with, you're going to highlight in yellow. And then in green, anything you would like to comment on or you think that's important, that really stood out to you in the article, you're going to highlight in the green. Now then, at the bottom of your article, there are 3 questions. You're going to pick one question at the bottom of the article and you're going to respond to that question. So how you're going to do that, guys, is you're going to create a Google Doc and you're going to put your name on it, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it right down here. You're going to put your name, your class period, and the date, and you're going to put Article 1, and you're going to respond to one question in your article of the week. That's all you have to do for article of the week. I know that somewhere on there it might say you have to write a 1-page reflection. You do not have to write a 1-page reflection, guys. You're just answering the question. So when you go in to open an article of the week, it's going to look like this because it's going to force you to make a copy of it in Kami. This is what your article is going to look like. And then at the bottom of it, guys, these are your possible questions to pick from. You only have to pick one. Like I said, you're going to answer that one question on a Google Doc. And then when you're done, you'll save it and you'll send it to me or you'll turn it on a Moodle, your choice. If you guys have any questions about this, please let me know. Hopefully Zoom is up and running soon. Have a great day.